Hey everybody, it is Doug and
Tamatha.
And here we are at the Hotel Splendide in Cannes, France. And we're gonna talk watches.
Hello, we are in gorgeous Palma de Mallorca, and my number 6 pick is the Grand Seiko Sea of Clouds. Hi, we are in beautiful Positano, and my number 5 pick is going to be the Tag Heuer Monaco. Here we are at the Spanish Steps, and my number 4 pick is the Rolex. I forgot what it was. Starbucks? So my number 3 pick was very difficult, it's very challenging, but I think it's going to be the Batman. My number 2 pick is the Cartier Santos. Hi, we're in Cannes, and my number 1 pick is the Daytona.